Now we started. Part start.
Yes, ma'am.
Part.
But to page number 16, but to knew how to set it all right, and after an hour or so there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part she hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She she always had to get them out in a punch code they made her learn with. She was 6 years old, and the mechanical teachers calculated the marks in no times. The inspector had smiled after he has finished and patted her head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault. Mr. Jones, I think a geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have solved it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie head again. मैम हो गया 2 पैरा
Yes. So here the geography sector was taking test after test, and Maggie was not able to perform well. So once Margie's mother decided to call county inspector. Who is county inspector? Consti.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम वो इंस्पेक्टर जो कंप्यूटर को प्रोग्राम करता था और किस एज पे टेस्ट लेना है और उसका स्टडी मटेरियल उसमें अपलोड करना है, वो सब वो काउंटी मास्टर देखता था.
हाँ, yes, county inspector means is a man who used to rectify problems in mechanical teacher. So when mother felt very bad with the performance of Margie, she called county inspector. County inspector came. He opened the mechanical teacher and then rectified the mistake. And then he told Margie's mother that it was not Margie's fault that she was not performing better. It was the fault of mechanical teacher. The geography sector of that mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick according to her age level. Okay, next. Minal. After Minal, Aditi will start. Minal is there? No. Aditi, you start.
Yes,
okay, Minal is there. Be fast. Minal.
Margie.
You can't open your start your video. Okay, continue. But from next class, keep in mind, I would like to see all the students keeping books and copies in hand and then doing reading. Okay, continue.
Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because his history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago," he added loftily, pronouncing the words carefully, "centuries ago."
So, Margie Margie was disappointed when county inspector rectified the mistake of the mechanical teacher. Margie was not happy. Can anyone tell me why was Margie not happy?
बिकॉज मैम वो चाह रही थी कि उसमें उसके टीचर में ऐसा कोई फॉल्ट आ जाए कि वो वापस से ठीक ही ना हो पाए, बट इंस्पेक्टर उस टीचर को ठीक कर दिया और नॉर्मल कर दिया, इसलिए मार्गी खुश नहीं थी.
हाँ, Margie was disappointed because she wanted to get rid of the mechanical teacher for few days. Once this happened, when Tommy's mechanical teacher, there was some problem in Tommy's mechanical teacher. One problem was there, and the county inspector had taken the mechanical teacher for about a month, and Tommy was free for that those days because there was no mechanical teacher, so no school was there. So she was expecting the same. She was expecting that the county inspector will not be able to. She was expecting that he would not be able to rectify the mistake, and Margie would be free from school for few days, and in this way, she will enjoy her time because she was very much fed up with the mechanical teacher. So Margie asked Tommy that what was the book about. Tommy said that the book was about school. Margie was very much surprised. Why should one write about school? What is to write about school? Nothing is there to write about school, according
Yes,
to Margie,
ma'am.
because for her there was one room and one mechanical teacher. That was school. Only that was the concept of her school. So she was surprised. Why would one write? So next, who is going to read?
Can I? Ma'am Rishabh Raj.
No, Aditi is not there. Aditi will start. I have told. Aditi, then Krishna Verma, then Sankalp.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Then Shweta, you should keep in your mind. ये सीक्वेंस आप लोग अपने दिमाग में रखेंगे. अदिति के बाद कृष्ण वर्मा, आफ्टर दैट संकल्प, देन श्वेता राज, देन आर्यन, देन नीति. नो, अभी तक तो विपाशा का हैंड रेज नहीं है, सो पहले हम लोग इतने की रीडिंग ओवर करेंगे. फर्स्ट दीज स्टूडेंट विल रीड, आफ्टर दैट विपाशा ऑल्सो. सो आफ्टर नीति ऋषभ इज देयर, आफ्टर ऋषभ विपाशा इज देयर. ओके, जिस सीक्वेंस में लोगों ने हैंड रेज किया है, स्टार्ट.
Margie was scared. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while and said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular, it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told a boy and a girl things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Can't. A man can't know as much as a teacher. He knows almost as much I beat. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute. She said I wouldn't.
Okay. So when Tommy explained that it was not their kind of school, the story written or the explanations written in the book was not about their type of school. It was different type of school. Which type of school? Our type of school. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Where human were teacher. Where human used to be teachers, not machine. Margie was having teacher. Margie's teacher was a machine. So she was not talking about the book was not talking about mechanical teacher. The book was talking about human teacher. So Margie was surprised. How can a man be a teacher? Means, according to her, a man cannot be knowledgeable enough. A human being cannot be knowledgeable enough to be a teacher. Okay. Next, start. Krishna Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
I would not want to strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laugh. You don't know much, Margie. The teacher did not live in this house. They had a special building, and all the kids went there, and all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. But may but my mother says a teacher had to be adjust to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kind has to be taught differently. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. If did not say I did not like it. Margie said quickly she wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie's school.
So, when Tommy started explaining about the book, that human teacher used to teach. Then he said that she said that I first think that every child has different difficulty level, and the teacher should reach according to that, teach according to that difficulty level. Second thing, that how can we allow any stranger to enter the house? Means, for safety point of view, we don't want everyone to enter the house. Also, she was telling that why should we enter? Why should we allow everyone to enter the house? Then Tommy started. Tommy said that you don't know anything about that type of school, and now he starts explaining about the school. Next, whose turn?
मैम मी आर्यन
हाँ,
मैम ये आदित्य कुमार
आर्यन का है
मैम संकेत कुमार
संकेत का है.
Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy's too. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school?" "Maybe," he said nonchalantly. He walked away, whistling, the dusty old books tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in proper slot.
So, what happened then? Can anyone explain?
Yes. मैम मार्गी की मम्मी आती है और उसके बाद उसको क्लास के बारे में बताती है। तो उसके बाद फिर मार्गी टॉमी से बोलती है कि क्या ये बुक हम दोनों स्कूल के बाद पढ़ सकते हैं। तो फिर टॉमी बोलता है मे बी, हो सकता है, पढ़ सकते हैं। Calmly he walked away, visiting the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. और उसके बाद फिर उसके बाद टॉमी उस बुक को, डस्टी बुक को अपने साथ लेके चला जाता है। और उसके बाद स्कूल रूम, उसके बाद फिर मार्गी अपने स्कूल रूम में जाती है। It was right next to her bedroom. और उसके बेडरूम के जस्ट बगल में उसका स्कूल रूम होता है।
So on which day, what did her mother think? मार्गी की मदर क्या सोचती है?
The little girls, Margie mother said that the little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours.
Yeah.
Except Saturday and Sunday.
हाँ, so Margie's school was off on Saturdays and Sundays, and she used to go to her school at a fixed time. ऐसा नहीं था कि स्कूल उसके घर के अंदर था, तो जब मन हुआ चले गए, जब मन हुआ छोड़ दिया. No, it was.
Ma'am, why Saturday and Sunday?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Someone said something. I couldn't get. हाँ, so it was at fixed time. जैसे जो स्कूल का टाइम होता है ना, they had fixed
जैसे
time.
अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का भी टाइम
हाँ,
है।
जैसे अभी हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लास, ऑनलाइन तो है, लेकिन चलो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग कभी भी स्टार्ट कर ले. One thing today I made a mistake while scheduling my class. I had scheduled it at 8.
Yes, ma'am.
And I could not I could not notice it also.
Ma'am, ma'am, mechanical teacher मतलब?
Mechanical teacher means suppose that
मैम रोबोट जो बनाता है.
हाँ, जैसे वो रोबोट होगा वही पढ़ाएगा. सपोज एक थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल देते हैं, that will not be full.
टीचर नहीं.
सपोज दैट मैं एक पीपीटी बनाती हूँ और उस पीपीटी में मेरा वॉइस भी होगा, सब कुछ होगा, और जो स्कूल का टाइम हुआ तो इंस्टेड ऑफ मींस माय प्रेजेंस आई विल स्टार्ट द पीपीटी. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे या वो पीपीटी मैंने बना करके आप लोग सबके अभी सब सारे लोग या तो एंड्रॉइड सेट से पढ़ रहे हैं या लैपटॉप पे पढ़ रहे हैं, है ना. तो वो पीपीटी बना करके मैंने सबको ग्रुप में सेंड कर दिया स्नैप होमवर्क के थ्रू ही. अब आप लोग एक फिक्स्ड आवर पे, सबका टाइम है 9 o'clock, आप लोग 9 o'clock पे अपना सिस्टम ओपन करेंगे और यू पीपल विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग. So what will then? That will be mechanical teacher, because I am not coming to help you. I will not be there to help you. वो मैंने बना दिया. अब आपके समझ में आया तो सही, नहीं समझ में आया तो वो आपकी परेशानी. So that is mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher में भी जितनी फीड होती हैं, जितने बुक्स फीड होते हैं, जितने मटेरियल्स फीड होते हैं, it is fed by any teacher. वो तो किसी knowledgeable person के द्वारा ही उसमें फीड किया जाता है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
It is done by, so that is different. But here I am coming to, I am here to listen you, here to solve your problem. But if I am not there, I have made something and I have given it to you. Now you do. If you understand, it's okay. If you do not understand, it's your problem. It is not going to be my problem. So this is mechanical teacher. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So difference between human teacher and mechanical teacher, ये तो समझ में आ गया. और हम लोग वो previous class में PPT के थ्रू भी mechanical teacher और human teacher में difference किए थे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's turn for someone to
Ma'am Shweta.
Ma'am,
and
Aryan.
just see, this is difference between human teacher and mechanical teacher. Today I made a mistake. मैंने 9 o'clock का टाइम सेट करना था मुझे, मैंने 8 o'clock सेट कर दिया, ठीक है?
8 o'clock to
हाँ, वो 8 o'clock सेट, हाँ 8 o'clock सेट हो गया, तो ये मेरा मिस्टेक हुआ ना? I
Yes,
meant
ma'am.
if it had been done by a computer, ये मैकेनिकल होता तो ये गलती नहीं होती.
ह्यूमन मिस्टेक.
हाँ, तो ह्यूमन मिस्टेक,
Human
ये
mistake.
तो ये एक नेगेटिव पॉइंट हुआ. ह्यूमन टीचर का एक नेगेटिव पॉइंट ये हुआ ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Human can make mistake. हाँ, next reading.
Aryan.
Aryan's turn. It was किसका? It was Aryan.
Shweta.
Aryan.
No, I have
Aryan क्या है मैम?
Aryan.
Ma'am
का है.
Shweta.
नहीं, श्वेता
Yes,
का
ma'am.
No,
नाम
ma'am
था.
Shweta.
नहीं,
आर्यन था.
Aryan start.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, Shweta will start.
Ma'am,
Okay,
after
ma'am.
that part,
Margie did so with a sign. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the they learned the same things so they could help one another in homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add the fractions 1/2 and 1/4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had.
So, who will explain?
ma'am, may I start?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I Ankit?
Ma'am,
Ankit, let us Parth, let Ankit explain. उसके बाद रोनिक, then you will get the chance. Okay? Start. Ankit.
Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page.
I have not told to start reading. I have told to explain.
मैम ऋषुराज.
वह पुराने स्कूल के बारे में सोच ही रहा था कि वे दादा के छोटे लड़के थे. All the kids from the whole.
मैम ऋषुराज.
yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, पार्थ को स्टार्ट करने दो, फिर ऋषभराज will also do. Okay? पार्थ first you start.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मार्गी सोच रही थी कि पहले का ओल्ड स्कूल के बारे में सोच रही थी. जब ग्रैंडफादर के ग्रैंडफादर जब छोटे बच्चे थे तो वो लोग जितने भी वो लोग नेबरहुड में दोस्त सारे थे वो सब साथ मिलकर जाते थे स्कूल, शाउटिंग करते थे स्कूल यार्ड में, साथ बैठते थे स्कूल रूम में, और उसके बाद फिर और एंड ऑफ द डे स्कूल में भी वो लोग साथ ही करते थे और वो लोग एक साथ एक ही सेम चीज पढ़ते थे और उन लोग को कितना मजा आता था. और उन लोग का होमवर्क के बारे में भी बात कर सकते थे कि तुमको ये होमवर्क मिला है तो उसको भी सेम मिलेगा, तो वो लोग उसके बारे में भी बात कर सकते थे. एंड द टीचर वेयर पीपल. और वो सोच रही थी कि कितना अच्छा था कि टीचर उस समय इंसान था ना कि मैकेनिकल टीचर था. अभी तक यही पढ़ा.
Now who wants to explain?
मैम ऋषुराज.
ऋषभ, हाँ, explain.
मार्गी सोच रही थी पुराने स्कूल के बारे में कि जब उसके ग्रैंडफादर एक छोटे लड़के थे तो वो दादा के दादा के छोटे लड़के थे. और वो तब उनके समय का स्कूल किस तरह का होता होगा। हर बच्चे जो उनके पड़ोस में रहते थे, सब लोग हंसते खेलते हुए स्कूल जाया करते थे, स्कूल यार्ड में साथ बैठा करते थे, और स्कूल क्लासरूम में भी साथ बैठा करते
एक
थे।
मिनट।
उसके बाद जब दिन के अंत में जब वो लोग घर आते थे तो वो भी साथ में आते
जस्ट
थे।
मिनट विपाशा, पहले अपना माइक बंद करो। हाँ, नाउ स्टार्ट।
वो एक ही चीज पढ़ा करते थे और एक दूसरे की होमवर्क करने में भी मदद किए थे, और उस समय के टीचर्स थे वो भी इंसान ही थे।
So, when mother suggested Margie to go to her school, Margie went to the school. But she was thinking about the previous week. Or she was thinking about the fun. Students of that age must be enjoying because they were able to share their lunch, share their problems. They had fun reading together. Human were teachers.
Yes.
The students were able to discuss their problems.
Talk about shouting in schoolyard and enjoying the day.
Yes. So you people also, do you people like to be at home and reading, or you want
No,
to come
ma'am.
to school? Everyone,
No, ma'am.
Everyone
to
wants to
school.
come to school, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think? Study
Yes, ma'am.
ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई अच्छी
Excuse me,
नहीं
ma'am.
होती है?
मैम अच्छी होती है, लेकिन एक साथ नहीं रहते, फेस टू फेस नहीं रहते तो मजा नहीं आता।
यस, पढ़ाई तो अच्छी होती है।
Yes.
जो बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते हैं वो पढ़ भी लेते हैं अच्छे से, बट दे डू नॉट इंजॉय। ये जो टुगेदरनेस की फीलिंग जो आती है, साथ में डिस्कशन होते हैं, थोड़ी मस्ती होती है, दैट यू पीपल मिस, इज इट?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
लाइफ एकदम वो अभी मोनोटोनस टाइप, घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना है। सो दीज थिंग्स यू पीपल डोंट लाइक, है ना? अच्छा, तो अब एक चीज बताओ तुम लोग कि अभी इसी की रीडिंग फिर से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब
मैम लास्ट पैराग्राफ में मैम कुछ क्वेश्चन है।
बस
हाँ, लास्ट पैराग्राफ में क्या क्वेश्चन है?
मैम वो जो लिखा हुआ लाइन मैम, व्हेन वी ऐड सम फ्रैक्शन 1/2 एंड 1/4, इसका मतलब?
अरे वो क्वेश्चन
मींस मार्गी वाज नॉट, सपोज दैट अभी यहाँ पे क्लास चल रहा है ना,
अभी
और यहाँ पे मैं कोई क्वेश्चन पूछूं और तुम्हारा ध्यान कहीं और हो, ठीक है? अब मम्मी किचन में अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट बना रही है, सपोज यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट। अभी यहाँ पे मैम पढ़ा रही हैं, मुझे तो मम्मा इतना अच्छा किया, वो ब्रेकफास्ट बना रही है, मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, तो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू विल नॉट बी listening to it. The same thing was there with Margie. The mechanical teacher has given the question. Mechanical teacher का ये question था, but she was not listening to the question. She was thinking about the fun.
One days.
हाँ, the students of that age, they were having.
मैम बट ये फ्लैशिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन का मतलब क्या हुआ?
स्क्रीन के ऊपर वो क्वेश्चन फ्लैश कर रहा है। सपोज मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूं और वहां पे कोई क्वेश्चन हो, और सपोज दैट दो स्टूडेंट उस क्वेश्चन को तो देख रहे हैं और बाकी दो स्टूडेंट का ध्यान तो मम्मा ने क्या ब्रेकफास्ट बनाया है वहां पे हो। वही स्थिति मार्गी की थी। The same condition was there. Margie was thinking about the fun the students of old age, means earlier, means the old school students of old school were having. शी वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट द फन. उसकी तो मार्गी की ध्यान तो इसी बात पे थी कि वो बच्चे कितना फन से पढ़ते होंगे. मीन्स के ग्रैंडफादर के
कितने
जो
मजे
बच्चे,
करते
हाँ,
होंगे.
बच्चे होंगे, वो लोग कितना एंजॉय करते होंगे. एक साथ लंच करना, एक साथ प्रॉब्लम शेयर करना, एक साथ खेलना, एक साथ बड़े होना. एक बार आपका एडमिशन हो जाता है किसी क्लास में, उसके बाद तो आप लोगों की फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है, फिर तो फ्रेंडशिप कंटिन्यू करती है. आप छोटे
Yes,
से
ma'am.
बड़े होते रहते हैं, तो सारी चीजें आप लोग शेयर करते हैं ना. सो दैट वाज दैट. तो यहाँ पे वही दिखा रहा है कि मार्गी के ध्यान में तो वही आ रहा है कि यार वो स्कूल कितना अच्छा था, वहाँ के बच्चे कितना आराम से पढ़ते थे. और एक हम लोगों का मतलब वो हम लोगों का स्कूल भी नहीं सोच रही है, वो सोच रही है वो बच्चे कितना एंजॉय करते थे, लंच शेयर करते थे, ब्रेकफास्ट प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करते थे, साथ में खेलते थे, साथ में एंजॉय करते थे. उनकी एक फ्रेंड सर्कल थी, ग्रुप था. अब
होमवर्क में हेल्प
मार्गी का तो कोई फ्रेंड सर्कल ही नहीं था, है
सिर्फ
ना.
एक ही फ्रेंड था, टॉमी.
हाँ, अंडरस्टूड.
यस मैम.
अब
Yes, ma'am.
अब पूरी स्टोरी क्लियर हो गई.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
अभी कुछ समय बचा हुआ है. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट? नो
मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को एक बार
question answer. If you want, I may discuss. If you want, I will be sending you on Snap. It is up to you.
Please send us.
Yes, ma'am.
Part what should I do?
मैम अभी जो ऐसे अभी हम लोग पढ़ लिए हैं, तो मैम अगर किसी को डाउट हो तो वो क्लियर कर दीजिए, और जैसे छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चंस हो तो वो भी क्लियर हो जाए.
Okay. Part, will you start reading the questions?
ओके मैम. पहला अंडरस्टैंडिंग द स्टोरी. B. Answer the following questions in about 30 words each. What was awfully funny about the words written in the book founded by Tommy?
What was awfully funny about the book found by Tommy? Who will answer this question?
Ma'am, the word is static.
Vipasa has answered, na?
Yes.
So the words were fixed; they were not moving on the screen. Margie and Tommy, they had seen words moving on their TV screen, but here the words were fixed; they were not moving.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was awfully funny for them. Next.
Yes. They had Maggie started hating her school more than ever. मैम इसका आंसर हम दे सकते हैं. Maggie hated her school because the teacher was mechanical teacher, and there was no friends for help and talking. But another days the school was teach by peoples, and they have learned same thing in a quantity of students, so that he hated her school.
So who will answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Suryansh.
Margin started hating her school more than even because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worsley and was in geography until her mother had shaken her head snowfully and sent for the county inspector.
Yes, here the answer will be Margie had started hating her school because the geographical teacher was taking test after test, and Margie was not able to better.
The competition in the geography sector of Margie teacher was that the teacher geared a little too quick.
That was the problem. Next question. Who will read the next question?
What the complete
Ma'am, Suryansh.
complications in the
Suryans,
geography
wait,
sector of
part.
Margin teacher?
Let Suryans read. You have read two
Okay.
questions?
Yes,
Suryans.
ma'am.
What was the completion in geography sector of Margin's teacher?
What
They-
was the
The complication in the
Ma'am,
geography of
Ma'am, the
Margie's teacher.
geography sector of mechanical teacher was guided a little too quickly. It was given her much homework and much test paper which were not according to her age level.
Suryans also wanted to answer the question.
Yes, Mama.
Parth also wants. Vipasha also wants. So Vipasha, can you answer? No, Vipasha is not there. Parth.
The complication of geography sector of Maggie teacher was the mechanical teacher has some problems in her age. The age of Maggie was 10, but the course was above to 10 years, so that Maggie could not perform well